Hello chess lovers! I have a very impressive game for you which is played in the old romantic spirit, with the white pieces playing Austrian, Dutch, American international master Hans Kmoch, and unfortunately the name of his opponent is unknown. The game was played in 1934 in Vienna. Hans Kmoch started with e4 and e5 by black, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5, we see Ruy Lopez, knight e7, black goes for Cozio defense. Of course, this is not a popular move nowadays and this looks a bit old-fashioned. White castles kingside, g6, d4, bishop g7, d takes e5, knight takes e5, and we see the exchange of knights on e5. And here comes a very interesting move by Hans Kmoch, bishop h6. White is not allowing black to castle kingside, but at the same time this allows black to capture on b2. Bishop takes b2, knight d2 and c6. Well, actually capturing on a1 can be very dangerous because after queen takes a1, black's dark squares are weakened and black can face a lot of problems. If a move like rook g8 then knight f3, if c6 then knight g5. And if c takes b5 then queen f6, and this can be really very dangerous for black. Let's go back. That's why after knight d2 black didn't dare to capture on a1 and played c6. Rook b1, bishop d6, knight c4, both threatening knight d6 checkmate and also attacking the bishop on d4, bishop c5. And now you can pause the video and try to find white's next move. Actually, white made a move and black resigned. Ready? In this position, Hans Kmoch played a sparkling move. He placed the queen on d4 square and believe it or not, but black resigned. By playing queen d4, white forked the rook and the bishop, and it turns out that the queen is actually untouchable. If a move like bishop takes d4, then simply knight d6, and this is a checkmate. What a checkmate. Or after queen d4, if a move like rook g8, then simply queen takes c5, and black can't even capture on b5 because again this deadly knight d6 is coming and black king is getting checkmated. That's why after queen d4, black found himself in a hopeless position and resigned. What a game. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your comments. Good luck.